Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and today we are making garlic pull-apart bread. This is actually a German recipe. It's really delicious. Let's get started. We start out with our ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1½ teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1¼ cup or 280 milliliters of warm water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, not garlic salt, 1/4 cup or 70 grams of soft butter, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon pizza or Italian herbs, 1 egg. First, combine water, yeast, and sugar. Stir to combine. Add 1½ teaspoon salt to the flour. My 6-year-old is helping me today. In a large mixing bowl, add about half of the flour, oil, and yeast mixture. Stir until combined. Slowly knead in the flour until dough is soft but not sticky. Cover and allow to rise for 1 hour. While the dough is rising, prepare the garlic butter. Combine butter, salt, pepper, garlic, and herbs. You can of course use 2 garlic cloves chopped finely instead of garlic powder. Stir butter to combine all ingredients. Punch down dough, knead briefly, pinch off chunks of dough and flatten them with the palm of your hands. Put a dollop of garlic butter in the middle and fold the dough over to cover the butter. Place seam side down in a greased baking pan. I forgot to grease my pan, and you will see shortly what happens when you do that. Then beat the egg in a small bowl and brush the egg onto the garlic rolls. Sprinkle with herbs. At this point, you can choose to allow the rolls to rise again for another 20 minutes or bake them immediately. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. As you can see, my rolls stuck to the baking dish, but if you greased your pan, they shouldn't. But with or without bottoms, these rolls are soft and full of garlic flavor. My kids even loved these and would make a great addition to any Italian meal. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.